Hey, this is Chris, your friendly guitar teacher. And in this guitar lesson, we're going to be taking a look at something that I don't think I've ever seen on YouTube before. So what is it that I don't think anyone's ever done before? At least I haven't seen anyone do it, is create or improvise a guitar solo and then have charts underneath that show you exactly what I was thinking or whoever was doing the solo was thinking as they were creating the guitar solo. This is going to be focusing on triads and pentatonics. So what I'm going to do next is you're going to listen to me do a guitar solo, watch me do a guitar solo, and then I will have the charts down below showing you exactly what triad I'm thinking of and also what pentatonic scale I'm using to create the solo. The reason I think this is so important is a lot of times you watch people, they demonstrate, they talk about how to do a solo or to improvise, or they just go ahead and do it and you watch it and you're amazed, they sound fantastic. But you never really know what they're thinking unless they go into great depths to tell you every single note in the solo and what they were thinking about, but most people don't do that. And I'm not going to go into great depth either, but what I am going to do is put the charts down below so you can see what I'm thinking as the chords go by. You'll also see the chords in the chord progression, and they will light up so you can see how the charts kind of coincide with the chord that I'm playing over at the same time. The first guitar solo that you already heard, that was completely improvised. The second one, I did do a couple takes of it because I kept changing the ending every single time. So I did do a couple takes till I got one that I was okay with. They're not great solos. I think they demonstrate what I'm trying to do here to show you how you can use triads and pentatonic scales to improvise or create guitar solos. Thanks for taking the time to check out this guitar lesson. If you like this style lesson and you want to see more, make sure you like or subscribe, maybe leave a comment down below depending on where you're seeing this video. And I will see you in the next lesson.